Hey loves, welcome back. So I'm just gonna get right into it. I know you see my brows, like my brows are looking crazy. So I'm using my Anastasia brow spool. It's actually finished, it's an eyeliner, but I love the spool, so I'm keeping it. And then I'm just gonna stroke through each hair just to place the hairs where I want so I can get a nice full brow. So this silver wand that I'm like spinning around is an Anastasia gel. So it's specifically for the brow, and what it does, it pretty much holds the hairs in place. So I like to go in first and just kind of use that spool and place the hairs exactly where I want. The only difference between this and the other one is this actually has product, which is going to actually keep the brows still. Always a serious face when I'm doing my brows. Like, the focus is real. So I'm just gonna let that product dry and just finish up on the edges. And then I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Skin. This is just an extra thing that I'm doing. Don't mind me, I look tired, so I just wanna brighten underneath my eyes because I have some bags. So I'm gonna go in and just do that really quick. Don't mind me. This is not a step in this tutorial. I'm just being extra. Okay, so it's nice and dry. So it actually feels stiff if you use this. I don't know if you like that, but for me it works. So it's gonna pretty much, it freezes the hair. Well, not freezes because it's not cold or anything. But it's a hold. It holds the hair. You know what I mean. And then I'm going in with my Anastasia brow pen. I love this pen. It really gives me natural hair strokes, which I love. I used to use a dip, but this works better for me. What I do notice is after a while it starts to fade out, so it works better when it's like brand new. So what I'm pretty much doing here is just following the hair strokes, and you see me shaking the pen because I was trying to get some of the product out just because it kind of is dried out, so I just shake it just to get that product out. So I'm just literally following the hair strokes with this pen, and as you can see, it's very natural, and that's the look I'm going for. More of a big brow, natural brow look. Big brow, natural brow look. Yeah, I don't know. But that's what I'm doing here. So you just see me stroking it in. I use my fingers just to kind of like, if I mess up on a spot, I literally can just wipe it out with my fingers. And then you see me backing out of the camera just to see how it looks from different angles. This is like one of my favorite parts of doing my makeup is my eyebrows. I don't know what it is, but if your eyebrows are not done, it defeats the purpose of doing your makeup. So I really enjoy doing this part of makeup. Don't mind my hair. My hair is looking crazy, guys. But I promise you, once I take it out, you're going to see. I was thinking about getting my eyebrows tattooed in. However, I told you guys before, I fully enjoy filling in my eyebrows. I don't know. I'm contemplating, though. Because, I mean, it would be great getting up and just not having to worry about it. But then it's like, again, I like having different looks for my brows, so I don't know. Okay, check me out. Almost done. What do you guys think? Almost there. Almost done. Last step is adding my concealer. I like to go in with a lighter shade using my concealer brush that I got. This is actually a cheap brush from e.l.f. and I purchased it from Ulta. But I really don't like going in with too much product when I do my brows. So I just literally have, as you can see, there's a very small amount of product on that brush because I want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm literally just cleaning up the brow at this point. So how you do that, you literally just outline the bottom of the brow and then you want to just brush in that product because you don't want that product to just, you don't want to align an upside down check mark on your eyebrow, so you definitely have to blend that in. One more time with this product. I actually like to just go in and blend in that brow eyeliner just to give it a natural look. So at this point my eyebrows are kind of stiff, so this gel is literally yeah, you just have to work through it because it's already stiff, but it gives a nice gloss over the brow, which I like. This natural brow look is complete. What do you guys think? I'm definitely going to show you guys a before and after because before it was not there. I did a full face just to give you guys a full, well, I'm actually going out to dinner, but just to give you guys a full look. What do you guys think? And if you like this look, let me know because I can certainly show you guys how I completed this look and give you the whole, you know, the whole face if you like. Thank you again for tuning in and bye. See you soon.